1969. Country honk, let it bleed. Count that down. Alright, so today, for the first day of March break, I jammed out and had a good breakfast at Shuba's, bacon and eggs, good toast. Tonight I had 3 Dr. Peppers, just couldn't keep my lips off them, so good. It's 11:50 right now. Got the Aerosmith cranked. Yeah, so just wrapping up my Monday for 2011. Years are flying by. Yeah. I love vinyl. Vinyl is such a great thing. It's timeless. Its energy is amazing. Yeah, there's a whole lot you can say about it. But, yeah, it's so great in how you can play it and whatnot, but I love vinyl. Alright, right now I just want to take a quick thank you to my good friend Trev. This is his. He tagged me a photo in it on Facebook too, it's real cool. Night in the Ruts, Aerosmith, one of my all-time favorite bands. Thank you, homie, for letting me borrow this. You're the man. They sound great. Keep on rocking, everybody. This is Chiquita you're listening to right now. Classic song. Makes you want to dance and boogie. Great horns, great guitar. Keep on rocking. This is a song right here, I remember walking in the sand. Steven Tyler, I think he's seen one of these girls in a washroom, I read in Walk This Way. Walking in the Sand, good song by the name escapes me right now, but I've got them on records and whatnot. Yeah. Right here's a song called Cheesecake, and I just wanted to show you this cool thing. This is the sleeve. I'd love to have that poster right there. Right in the nuts. Patch would be sweet. So this would be those shirts. It's officially Tuesday for my March break. These are my, I got a few new dolls. Han Solo, Luke. Then I got this guy. Right now it's gonna be Reefer-Headed Woman. Steven Tyler looking great. Mr. Tom Hamilton. Good old Tommy. My good man Brad. Good old Joe. Joe Perry. Krebs and Leber. At one point in my life I was really obsessed with watching South Park on TV. It used to be on channel 58 I think all the time on cable. It was really good. I used to watch it all the time. Got really into it, watching all the episodes. And yeah, just wanted to share that little memory so I could always remember and live on. Another good track off this Night in the Ruts album is Think About It. I'm really thinking of buying this Night in the Ruts when I go to Dr. Discs. They've had 2 copies there for a while, and I really like this album, so I think I might just pick it up for my own copy. But yeah. I just found this old picture of me in my toy box not too long ago. That's me as a little kid. Senior kindergarten. Looking pretty spiffy. So overall I'm gonna say Night in the Ruts Aerosmith is fucking amazing. On a scale from 1 to 10 I'm gonna have to say 8. Even though Joe Perry doesn't play on all the leads, this is an amazing album. I definitely recommend this to a bunch of people. It's great, so many good tunes on it. I never even gave it the chance real before, but now I have and it's great. I'm gonna really listen to this a lot more, so go out there people. Alright, I made these drawings on a snow day. This is just some close-up shots of them. What will turn you on? Radio Barbarella. Color of Beauty. This one is entitled Closet Smoker. I got it from the idea of French teacher Miss Dennis. I guess a friend of hers is telling her that he doesn't smoke cigarettes for a while, but he's kind of craving them and needing them. What do you think about this guy? Is he right for her in telling her that he's not smoking? Should she believe him or no? Or is he just another closet smoker? Yeah, that's my work. So this documentary of my life will continue tomorrow for March break. Try and get as much as we can for March break. Yeah, so it's just gonna continue. 12:50 right now. Yes, today was a pretty good day, just finishing it off, listening to Get Jeff Beth. Blow by blow, great shit. Yeah, so, rearranged up a bit there. Yeah. And, so yeah, I'm about to go to bed, and just want to say that my documentary of my life is gonna keep on filming and just keep on rolling. I want to thank all them people who support me and watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. I really like watching people on YouTube, and everybody's just so cool, and making my videos is what I do. And I like to rock out and just have a good time. So, yep. Good night. And be listening to one of my favorite David Bowie songs, Width of a Circle, and cruising down the street. A broken leg.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
Take that off. It wasn't on it.
I put it on.
Well, it's up. Turn it off. Take it off. It doesn't need a broken leg.
Are these your new toys?
Yeah.
What do you got to say about that?
What? Chloe loves me.
Yeah, she does. So, I'm just uploading my videos and downloading some music. Or no, I'm not. I don't want to get in trouble. David Bowie pinups, whatnot, and some other.
Strawberries!
Sure.
Not me.
I'm like, go get your dad.
Where's those?
That's not our car.
Upstairs.
The earthquake, and then Pepe's crazy mother pointing at me and pointing at you.
Yeah, well, what was she mumbling about in Chinese?
She did something. Strange Asian lady.
What are we going to do now? I can't go to school like this.
You have to. You're on the verge of suspension, Anna. And you have your honors qualifying exam today.
Good stuff.
No reason to stay home.
What are you doing? I did it. It was horrifying. What came up? I unplugged you. Just go back out there and fix it. No.
Right now I'm jamming to Tales of Brave Ulysses and making art.
To the heartland of the river. Her name is Aerosmith-Night.
And she rides a crimson shell. 12:25. I missed out pretty much a bunch of time I could have filmed.